Hey, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and around here, we love writing books that create legacy, income, and we have to make major impact. Today, we're talking about something every author needs to master, and that is how to collect book reviews. Because let me be honest, writing the book is one thing, but getting people to leave a review, yeah, that's a whole different process. Okay. But in this video, I'm going to show you the mindset shift, the strategy, and the system that I use to collect reviews consistently without begging friends, without begging family, and waiting forever. First, let's talk mindset. If you've published your book already, or if you're preparing to publish, you might feel a little awkward asking people to leave a review. But I want you to remember this, okay? Your book is the seed, and your reviews are the sunlight. So it needs to shine so that other people can see it, right? They help you to have your book to grow, to get discovered, and to also build credibility. So you're not asking for favors. You're inviting people to partner with your message, and that's different. Reviews aren't just nice to have, they are part of your marketing ecosystem. So I want to go ahead and give you my exact process that I use and I highly recommend. Things first, you got to ask immediately, but be very strategically, okay, about this. Don't wait weeks. Once someone buys or downloads your book, set an automated follow-up email asking for a review, maybe within 2 to 3 days, especially as a mini her book. I want you to make it easy. Like, give them a direct link to where you actually want them to leave the review. Number two, include the ask inside of the book. So always include a page in the back of your book that says something like this. If this book blessed you, please take 60 seconds to leave a quick review on Amazon, or you put a link right here and just let them know that their words matter. Now, sometimes I also use a QR code as well, because if someone buys the print book, I want them to be able to scan to get access to leave a review. And especially with ebooks and people are downloading the ebook on like an ebook reader, you want to have the link there so they can just click it and make it clickable. Okay. Don't forget to do that. Number three, you want to create a review squad. So before you launch, gather 5 to 10 people who will commit to reading and reviewing your book. So you can give them early access and give them clear instructions. Now, these are your first fruits, the first reviews that help others to say yes to your book. So at minimum 5 people, or at least 10 at the most. Number four, use a review platform. This is my favorite secret weapon and my favorite tool. So one of my absolute favorite tools for consistent, high quality reviews is a site called Get Authentic Book Reviews. Now, this is a platform where you can submit your book and get real verified readers who leave honest reviews. Now, I personally use them and seen incredible results. And right now, they are offering a limited time membership for just $3 a month. So go ahead and grab that right below inside of the description. Now, when you sign up, tell them that I put my name, Sharlrita referred you. It's a powerful way to keep reviews growing without chasing people. Number five, don't be afraid to repurpose reviews. So once reviews come in, use them, okay? Turn them into quote graphics, email content, social proof for your product pages. So one good review can lead to 5 more sales, and that's how the momentum works. So I don't want you to rely on the hype or the hope. I want you to build a system, and a part of your system should include review collections so that you don't need to beg people. You just need a funnel, a follow up, and a few good tools. The review process should feel just like the writing process, which is purposeful and peaceful. And if you're still like in the writing phase and you really want to build this in from day one, I've got something special for you. Ready to write a powerful short book that sells and sets you up for ongoing success, grab the Mini Her Book Starter Kit. Inside this starter kit, you're going to get my exact framework for writing a 50-page book with strategy behind it. Plus, you get access to my AI powered Mini Her Book Builder to help you to outline each chapter, and you'll also learn how to set your book up for reviews, for sales, and systems before you even publish. I want you to go ahead and click the link in the description to grab your starter kit. And if you already published, go ahead and sign up for Get Authentic Book Reviews today and tell them that Sharlrita sent you. That $3 a month offer won't last you long. So if you're seeing this video now, go ahead and sign up, because your book deserves to be seen and those reviews are waiting to be written. If you enjoyed today's YouTube video, thank you so very much. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. I want you to keep writing with purpose, keep building with peace, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.